Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Marley.
Pastor!
Happy birthday.
Kaya mga katraps, good morning! Oh, welcome back sa our channel. Dito kami ngayon sa Charm Resort. Yan. Ang kagandahan dito mga katraps kasi ang bata eh. So, since marami akong anak, buong tuwa to sa mga structure ng resort. Kasi nasa storybook lang to eh. Kita nyo yan? Storybook square parking. So ibig sabihin pang storytelling tong resort natin ngayon mga katrops. Medyo kakaiba naman. Hanapin namin yung room namin eh.
It's over there, Dave. Over there. It's over
Where?
there. It's right there.
Are you sure?
Yes, that's me.
Let's go find it. Yan mga katrops. Ito yung bahay namin oh. I mean yung resort namin. Leah's Cottage Charm Resort. Yan. Maliit lang ito mga katrops. Ayan o.
What's that?
Yeah. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo yung ibang bahay.
What's that?
Yeah, let's go. Let's show to the mga katrops sa our
What's that?
small resort.
This.
Yeah. Come here, time.
This boy.
Ah, this is the bed. Hi.
It's too fast.
Hello! Tapos ito yung attic. Ay si Marley. Hi Marley! Hey, shoot. Yan. See?
Later.
Hi!
Show the washroom.
At pagka kayo nilalamig, meron silang heater dito. Ayan. Ito yung washroom. Let's go inside. Ayan. Maliit lang to mga katrops. Ay!
Cute siya.
Cute siya kasi ano to eh. Yung pang
Ay,
storybook.
Marley, what's this? What this cottage?
Yeah, what's this cottage?
Leah.
Leah's Cottage.
And who is Leah's Mar?
Marley!
Who is Leah's?
It's a cool fairy.
Cool fairy, yeah. This is Leah's Cottage, right?
What's that?
See?
What's that?
What?
This sound. You can close it.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Amazing, right? Okay, let's go.
He's actually a.
So mamaya papakita namin sa inyo mga katrops yung labas ng resort. Bike na naman, bike. Yay! Go this way! Okay, come back now. Ito yung main entrance nila dito mga katrops. Oh. Okay, come here, this way ka daw. Ito yung entrance. Okay, come on. Dad, come on! Tapos ito yung mga bahay nila dito. Ayan, kay Raffles. Ano ba ito? Rumpelstiltskin. Ayan, ito kay Rumpelstiltskin. Tapos ito naman, hindi ko alam kung kanino to eh. Tingnan natin. Kay Jack. Kay Jack. At yung nandun sa kabila, kay Tinkerbell yata yun eh. Yung kay Tinkerbell na dun oh. Tinkerbell. So, nag-marshmallow na sila. Okay, we have a race. Yung sa amin kay Leah's Cottage yun eh. Yung fairy din. Healing fairy. Woo! Slowly! Come on, let's go this way. Ito kay Rapunzel. Rapunzel. Yan o, Rapunzel yan. Ito naman gingerbread. Yeah! Come here, kid! Whee! Slowly! Uh-oh! No, don't go there. Only here. This side. You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yan mga katrops, magluluto na kami. So baling ang concept nito pang luma. Alam nyo maganda dito. Yes, time. Alam nyo kagandahan dito mga katrops sa ganitong mga resort. Yes! Ay walang internet dito sa room namin eh. O kahit sa room nito. Yan o. Walang internet. So yung mga bata pag-i-enjoy talaga sa nature. Yan, tingnan mo naman sila oh.
I think you're roasted already. So
Yeah.
get it out.
You gotta put it here. So magluluto kami ng inihaw. So back to basic tayo mga katrops. Yeah, just put it there, Marley, so that we can put more fire. Right there. Ang gagawin natin mga katrops. Come here, Marley, show to the mga katrops what you're doing. We're gonna cut the woods. This is the woods.
I'm a woodcutter.
Oh, be careful. Be careful ah. Be careful. Hold it. Itong woods na to, mabibili lang to kahit saan. Sa No Frills o sa Canadian Tire. Yan. Yan. Kakats mo yan mga katrops. Be careful, okay?
No, can you do the first
Yeah.
part for me? It's too hard. No, hold it.
Hold this one. I'll show you mga katrops how to cut the woods. Okay?
Okay.
Put it right here. And do like this. So, easy mga katrops. Pagtapos, dala nyo dito mga katrops. Come here, Marley. I'll show you how to do it.
Oh no, my stick is burning.
Ito natin lagay sa parapet nila. Yan.
My stick is burning.
So, meron din silang barbecue-an dito. Ito yun, oh. Libre na yung gas. Dala na lang kayo ng ihawin nyo. Yan. Ayan. I'm gonna put a fire pit. So ipepepera ko lang ito muna mga katrops. Tapos mag-iihaw na tayo. Right, Dime?
Yeah.
Yan. Magandang activity ito mga katrops. Kasi hindi lang puro tablet yung pinatupag ng mga bata. At least ma-enjoy nila yung nature. Alam mo naman, tuwang-tuwa oh. Yan, sige. Yan mga katrops, napa-andar na namin yung perfect namin.
Papa.
Yan, tingnan mo si Marley. You happy, Marley?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the most very interesting family
No, my
day.
marshmallow.
Oh my God, yung marshmallow! Ito yung tinatawag na perfect mga katrops. Yan.
Bye-bye, marshmallow.
Maganda kasi dito pagka winter eh. Pero pagka summer, okay lang naman. Pero sa akin mas maganda yung winter eh. Kasi mainit na yung summer tapos meron ka pang perfect. Pero mas maganda yung winter. Perfect yung perfect. Tapos dito kayo po oh. Ayan. Tapos yung view nyo, ayan.
Try to make a perfect marshmallow, but I can't.
Ayan mga katrops. So habang nag-iihaw si Marley ng marshmallow dyan, ito naman yung ulam natin mga katrops. Ayan. Alright. Mag-iihaw tayo ng baboy. Ang ganda ng concept nitong resorts na to mga katrop eh. Kasi yung mga bata mag-i-enjoy sa mga lumang bahay na katulad yan. Yan oh. Oh. Diba pang fairy tales pala. Pang fairy tales. At mag-i-explore sila. Yan oh. Yan. Hindi yung puros tablet lang.
What's snow?
Nasa hotel na nga nagta-tablet ka.
What's snow?
Oh, tingnan mo. Family bonding to mga tawag dito mga katrops. Are you happy guys? Yeah.
Dad!
Dad, no! Don't do that.
Whoa, where's the balloon? Oh my gosh, a balloon!
Oh.
Where's the balloon? It's about
Yeah.
to pop.
Ah! Ayan si Snow White.
Oh my god, Snow White!
Si Snow White. Hi Snow White. Say hi Snow White.
Oh my god,
Hindi tayo po pwede pumasok sa loob eh. May natutulog si Baby Kathleen. Medyo maingay. So ito. Maghihintay lang tayo dito ng ulam natin. At habang naghihintay, so medyo banding sa mga bata. Diba? At least malupit.
Whoa, that's no melted.
Yeah?
There's no melt.
No melt. That's no melt.
Oh shoot.
Isipin mo yun, snow melt.
Marshmallow.
Yeah. We need to buy more fireworks. What are you doing? This is what. Huh?
Here's more wood.
Look at Marley. See? He's very smart guy. Where did you get the woods? Should you show me?
From the woods, get
Yeah.
it?
In the woods, get it? Ang galing talaga ito ni Marley, oh. Hindi na kami bibili ng mga kahoy. Doon na kami kukuha daw, oh. Ayan, oh. Merong inaputol na kahoy doon, oh. Si Marley nakakita. Yeah, good job, Marley. Put it there. Yes, we can save money from the woods, right, Marley?
Yeah, I'll get some more.
Yeah, get more. Hurry up. Put it there. Hurry up.
Okay.
Ah, si Mama kasi masayaw pa, oh. Open, 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 open. Ano ang ulam? Oh. Ito yung ang pag gusto nyong may grill mark, ito yon. Pag gusto nyong tipan, ito yon. Yan. Less oil to, less oil. Grill. Mga katrops, grill tayo. At kung gusto niyo namang ayaw yung magluto-luto o tinatamad kayo magluto, meron namang mga restaurant dun sa baba eh. Merong mga A&W doon o Chinese restaurant or merong malupit na chicken dito, fried chicken, yung Charles Bridge chicken. Dito rin sa baba ng ng Blairmore. Yan, paluto na yung ihaw natin mga katrops. Look! Grilled pork chop at saka pork belly. Alright. At meron din tayong hotdog dito mga katrops.
We're gonna dance that one. Like
Yes.
how to dance with it.
Ito yung hotdog mga katrops. You like the food, guys? And mga katrops.
Hey, where's the cake?
Where's the cake later?
Well, cake.
Ah. Kain.
Let's go.
Hi, Marley. What did you eat?
Barbecue and grilled hot dog.
Yes. How about you, Dime? You can sit down there if you want. Cute talaga ng
What happened?
resort namin. Tingnan mo. Ito sa labas.
Yan, Papa, dyan
We're gonna tambay there later. Yes.
I shout out kay Jenny Rose.
Jenny Rose. Oh, shout out na dali.
Girl, punta na dito. Ang ganda.
Shout out daw kay Jenny Rose. Yan.
At saka kay Magic. Girl! Go.
Yeah.
Ganda, promise. Tignan mo yung
Pagka.
microwave. Yung
Oh.
ref. Ang cute.
Ito yung rep nila.
Wait. Let me.
Super cute, girl. Punta na kayo.
Ano, sabihin mo kay Magic tsaka kay Jenny Rose. Anong masasabi?
At si Tito Tenso.
Tita Tens, anong masasabi mo sa Charms Resort?
Super relaxing.
Relaxing daw. Walang TV. Oh, yan ha. Ito yung review ko. Walang TV to pero at least family bonding to. We're gonna read
Walang
some books.
internet.
Wala rin internet. Yan. So, storytelling tayo mamayang gabi. Yan. Right, Ken? Yes. Simpleng buhay lang mga katrops yung hotel na to. Pero pag chinek mo sa website nila, Ikaw na bahala sa presyo kung mag-decide kung matutuloy ka pa o hindi. Ha?
No, I.
Yeah.
You vote. My vote. No, you vote.
Look at din, ha?
Oo, Katrina is eating, eating rice.
Rice.
Yummy. Mamaya tatambay kami dito sa labas, oh. Paggabi.
Happy birthday to you.
Wait,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Marley.
Pastor!
Happy birthday.
Okay.
Again. Oh, sing na.
Happy birthday, Marley. Happy birthday, Marley.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy
Happy birthday, Marley.
What's your wish? What's your wish?
I wish for. Wait.
What's your wish first?
I wish to have more BSS toys.
Okay, blow your cake. Yay! Okay, time. And kidlat. Time, kidlat.
Yay! Kidlat's turn.
Kidlat turn. Yay!
Again.
Yay!
Katlin. Katlin.
One more, okay? Kathleen.
One more.
Only
Kathleen.
Yes!
Yay! Hello, good morning mga katraps. Alas 7 na ng umaga dito. Merong bisita na tayong ano, oh. Ito. Yan. Good morning. Ito yung bisita namin ngayon dito mga katraps, oh. Naghanap to ng pagkain, eh. Hi! Sobrang tahimik talaga dito sa Charms Resort. Hello. So, ang activities ng mga katrops, maglalagay tayo ng hot water dyan sa hot tub. Yan. At mag-iikot-ikot tayo dito sa resort. Alright. Kape muna tayo mga katrops, ha. Okay. Here. Tagahanap to ng pagkain na nagugutom na yata. Oh. Ayos yung temperature dito ngayon sa Blairmore, eh. Hindi masyadong malamig. Kape tayo. Brought to you by Tim Hortons. Pakainin natin itong give me grapes, hurry up, or apple. Try natin pakainin, baka maamo natin, eh. Give me, hurry up. Apple. Oh, see. Try natin yung grapes. There you go, there. Yeah. Okay. Yan. Try now. Here you go. Here. Okay. Kung sa Cebuano o Bisaya, sigbin to, yung parang sigbin. Oh, there. Grapes pa lang kinakain na to, eh. Mayaman tong beer na to. There you go. There. Yan mga katrops. So, yeah, I know there's a deer. Maglalagay tayo ng tubig dito. Hot tub. Yan. Simpleng pamumuhay lang kasi dahil dito ngayon eh. So, inalagay natin to. Napatakpan muna natin to. Yan. Tapos, ito naman yung heating. Ito yung heater. Hindi katulad sa mga bagong hot tub, dipindot lang or gas. Ito naman yung firewood na style. So, mga linuma tayong style ngayon mga katrops eh, para ma-explore natin yung bata. So magre-refill tayo ng tubig. Give me the water inlet. Oh, so tingnan mo ha. They have an axe because he's gonna cut the woods and put it there. Right, Miley? Yeah. So yung tubig nito mga katrops, sabi daw dito sa resort manual 2 to 3 hours daw bago mapuno at uminit yung hot tub eh. So alas 7 pa lang dito, maglalagay tayong tubig. Madali naman, bubuksan mo lang to. Just open this one time. See? Then the water will go over there in the hot tub. Yan. Nagpapa-apoy na naman kami mga katrops. Ito kasing concept dito mga katrops sa Charm Resort. Yung mga babae na sa bahay naglilinis, nagluluto. Tapos yung mga lalaki naman nagbibiyak ng mga kahoy. At kung wala kayong dalang kahoy mga katrops, dito kayo mamulot sa woods. So ang daming kahoy dito eh. Papakita ko sa inyo kung saan kayo pwede mamulot ng kahoy. Ito lang. Yan. Ito. Yan. Mga kahoy. Ito. Yan. So sa mga kwentong pambata sa storytelling, yung kunwari kay Hansel and Gretel, yung tatay nila doon ay woodcutter. So sa mga woods siya nagtatrabaho. Tapos yung nanay naman nila na maldita sa bahay lang. Yan, ito yung tubig oh. Malapit na. Tapos galagay tayo dito ng kahoy. Simpleng pamumuhay lang mga katrops. Mga katrops, napandar ko na yung lumang furnace natin. Ayan na. Ito yung lumang furnace. Kung naninirahan kayo sa mga basement, tingnan nyo yung furnace ngayon ay bago na. Meron ding mga pilot to ni diklik lang. Pero sa mga lumang panahon, ito yung furnace na ginagamit. Yan, ito yung nagpapainit ng bahay o mga appliances sa lumang panahon. So since nasa lumang panahon tayo, I mean nasa woods or story time, ito yung makikita nyo sa storybook, mga lumang furnace. At yun yung chimney. Yan. Pag nakita nyo umuusok na yan, ibig sabihin ito umiinit na. Yan, tingnan mo, medyo umiinit na oh. So hindi na lang natin tong medyo mapuno. At gagatungan pa natin ng kahoy para mainit. At ito yung panghalo oh, yung pedal kamo paano. Yan, hahaluin yan mamaya para yung tubig equal na equal yung pagkainit. Right, Mari? Yeah. Ang tagal lang kasi mapuno nito eh. Yan. Ito yung kagandahan talaga dito sa resort na to eh. Kasi walang TV, so mga bata nandito sa labas. So, yan. Ang dami na activities. Lalo na yun, oh. Ang kulit yan eh. Yan mga katrops. Mag-aantay lang tayo mapuno yung hot tub at uminit. Saka tayo maligo. Yan mga katrops. Ayos na yung hot tub namin. Ayan, oh. Kumukulo-kulo na, kumukulo-kulo. It's hot! Yes! Dapat pala buksan tong ito para yung hangin labas-pasok lang. Papunta dun sa taas. Tapos yung tubig.
This is like cold and this is hot,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. You like it? How's the feeling?
Good. It's like a cycle, right? Cold and then turns hot and then turns cold and turns hot, right?
Yeah.
I think I know why it causes the hot because there's like a furnace there. And
Yeah, it's
you
a
go-
furnace.
And then
So the water is coming from downside, going to the upside, then going there.
and then this is just
Yeah.
what's this for? Oh, it's a shower. Okay. Shower. What shower? Give me shower.
Look at that. Hi, Kidman.
Oh, down for the bathtub. Not pushing me.
This is the witch paddle.
No, I want it to be hot. Oh my god.
Oh, you did good.
The witch. You do it. You do it.
Yeah.
You do it. More like a troops. Look at the mountain.
Yeah. Oh, say hi. Say happy birthday to your friend Enzo.
Oh, happy birthday, Enzo.
Yeah. How about Siler and Sian? Shout out.
How does I don't know what should I.
No, tell him to come here.
Come here, man. It's so nice.
Hi, Dan. What you doing? Car wash?
You're doing car wash time?
More like a troops. Look at the mountain over there.
Yeah, over there.
It's past Powder Keg.
Yeah. It's over there.
Oh, wait, no, it's over there.
Yeah, you can stay there for long hours now. No problem. Right? Yeah, this is what you called hot tub. Right, Dan?
Yeah.
You like it here or no? Yes, very good.
It's 40 degrees in here.
Yeah. Tuwang-tuwa talaga yung mga bata. Oh, we need to put more fireworks. Hello mga katrops! Ito na yung hot tub natin, oh. Yan. Alam nyo, hindi basta-basta magpainit ng hot tub na hindi automatic eh. Kasi bago to lagyan ng tubig, 3 oras pa bago mapuno at
I get your towel.
yung ito,
Okay?
yung furnace na yan,
Just wait.
matagal
I get your
uminit.
towel first.
So kulang-kulang
Just wait.
3 oras to. So sulit-sulitin na lang natin tong paliligo dito sa hot tub. Ito yung nagustuhan ko talaga dito pagka winter eh. Mainit yung tubig, saka yung paglabas mo malamig. Yan. Pagka summer naman, mainit dito, tapos paglabas yung mainit, hindi na. Ayaw ko na nun. Mas maganda na yung pag mainit, paglabas malamig. Alright. Enjoy na lang natin to mga katrops. Oh, mga katrops. Say hi mga katrops. This is the ice bike. Woo. You like it, Dan? Oh, you're stuck now. You need to push it very hard. Wee, wee, wee. What? Oh, wow. Oh, amazing.
Yay.
Tayo dito kay Rapunzel. May swing dito eh. Hey. Look at this. Whoa. You wanna do that? You want it? Hey, Rapunzel. Ayun yung buhok ni Rapunzel, mga katrops, oh. Ang haba pala eh. Hello! Gagabi na naman mga katrops. Yan, nagbo-bonfire na naman kami. Kasi magmamarshmallow kami, magmamarshmallow. Melting marshmallow. How to melt your marshmallow, Marley?
How to melt?
Yeah. How to melt it?
There.
Right there, yeah. See? Just put it anywhere. Yeah. Go, lipay si Katlin. He's so happy. Yeah. Yan mga katrops. So, dito na lang siguro mag-end yung vlog natin kasi i-enjoy na lang namin itong last night namin dito eh. At bukas, uwi na rin kaming maaga kasi uwi na rin si Tita Ted sa Calgary eh, may pasok pa daw. Yan. So, kung nagbabala kayong umaga camping or ganitong mga activities mga katrops, suggest ko itong Charm Resorts. Dito lang to sa Blairmore, malapit sa Crossness Pass. Alright? Tingnan mo naman jacket ni Mama Kats. Oo, pang ano yan, oh, tingnan mo. Oh, yes. How much? How much? Alright mga katrops, magbo-bonfire lang kami dito ha. Sana nag-enjoy din kayo sa munting naming vlog sa Charms Resorts. Alright. Hey! Bye-bye! So stay tuned and rock and roll. Peace out. Hey.